In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a debit note in Zoho Books. We'll go through the full process in a simple and practical way so you can follow along inside your own account without confusion. A debit note is useful when you need to increase the amount a customer owes, usually because of an adjustment, correction, or additional charge after an invoice has already been created. Before you create one, it's important to make sure the debit note option is enabled in your settings, because if it's not turned on, you may not see it when you need it. Start by opening your Zoho Books account and signing in. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the top area of the screen and click the gear icon to open your settings. This is where Zoho Books lets you control important preferences and features for your organization. Inside Settings, click on General. In this section, you'll find a range of configuration options that affect how your account behaves. Look carefully for the setting related to debit notes. Check the debit note option to enable it, and then save your changes. Saving at this stage is important. Otherwise, the feature may not be available when you move into the sales area. After that, go to the Sales section. This is where you manage customer transactions, including invoices and related documents. From there, click on Invoices. Even though you're creating a debit note, you'll begin from the invoice area because Zoho Books groups these customer-facing sales documents together. Once you're on the Invoices page, find the New button. Next to it, you should see a small drop-down arrow. Click that arrow to open the additional creation options. From the list, select New Debit Note. Now you can begin entering the necessary details. Make sure the customer information is correct and add the relevant items, amounts, or adjustments that apply to the debit note. Take a moment to review everything carefully before saving, especially the totals and any descriptions, so the document clearly reflects the reason for the additional charge or correction. Clear details can help avoid confusion later for both your team and your customer. When everything looks good, click Save. Your debit note will then be created and stored in Zoho Books, ready for your records and any follow-up action you need to take. That's the complete process for creating a debit note in Zoho Books. Follow these steps carefully and you'll be able to set it up quickly and accurately.